Well, this morning we're out here on beautiful Rough River Lake chasing crappie with Tom Perkins. How you doing?
Doing good.
I'll tell you one thing, I have been looking forward to getting out here and catching crappie with you.
This will be a whole different experience today. We're going to cast for them.
Okay.
Instead of straight lining. They're easier to catch when they're in shallow water. They're just not in shallow water all the time.
So we're not going to use any live bait and no live scope today. We're doing it the old way, the old fashioned, the hard way. But you catch fish doing it that way all the time, so I'm super excited, and honestly, it's the way I like to fish. So I'm super excited to get out here and see what we can't drum up. You're just kind of shaping the contour of the bank. As it falls, you're just letting it fall a little deeper, huh?
But this ought to be a good year for the spawn.
Oh, that's a good crappie. You want that?
Yeah.
Tom, that's a dandy right there now.
Pound and a quarter or so.
That is a really, really nice crappie. I tell you what, you come out there and you get you 20 of those.
Oh, you got that right there's a sandwich.
Oh, you ain't a kidding.
I've done caught enough for me to eat for supper. Y'all are just lagging behind. Yeah, another keeper.
Black crappie.
And so you keep saying that, and I'm gonna check. You look at them and tell. I can't tell.
Black crappie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a black crappie.
So
That one.
See
I
how
count these.
I just look at it. It's either if it's in bars straight up and down, or if they're sporadic like that and not in the bars, it's a black crappie. If it's got the barring on them, then they're a white crappie.
Okay. Well,
yours is definitely plenty big. Good fish. You got him now. That's
Keeper.
a good one.
keeper.
Nice fish. At what point in time do you change weights, or is this pretty much this is a weight you throw most of the year?
If the wind's really blowing, I'll throw a 32nd. If it gets where I can't feel a 32nd, or a 16th.
Mm-hmm.
If it gets where I can't feel a 16th, I go home. The wind's blowing too hard.
So it's 32nd or 16th,
Yeah.
or stay home.
You bass fish all the time, smallmouth. The lighter jigs you got, the more fish you're gonna catch. Good one, sounds like. Josie, leave him alone.
That's a spotted bass there.
Yep, Kentucky.
Pretty little fish. Not what we're after today.
No, it's not. But they are good eating.
They are good eating, and I'll tell you what, if I'm out here and I get 5 or 6 crappie and I need to make a mess, I'll keep me a couple of those.
Yeah.
I'm not above it, that's for sure. There you go. Oh, good fish.
And right here, I know you're a bass fisherman, you hold them by the lip.
Yeah.
If you'll get a crappie right there, you'll quit flopping, everything.
Done.
And
done,
I'm not squeezing him.
Yeah.
I'm just holding him tight enough to hold him. But a bass, you grab him by the lip and he quits. Crappie, you get him right where his gills comes together and he quits.
He settled down pretty good there.
Are you gonna beg for him? Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Yeah, you still can have it. There's one.
There you go. That's a
good
crappie.
one there.
That might be the second biggest fish of the day so far.
You want him? You want him? See, I can leave this live well open. She'll get every one of these fish out of the live well.
We found something here.
All right, you need the net. Back up, Josh.
There we go. Not quite the size of what you caught, but by
Well,
golly,
not
that was a
much.
keeper.
A pounder anyway.
Yeah, that's a good fish. You see it?
Yeah, I see the squirrel. She'll tree him if he runs up a tree.
You got yourself a squirrel dog there.
Oh, that's a good one there. That's a good fish there. Watch out, Josh.
There we go. That's a good fat fish right
big
there.
one there.
Nice. We'll take that.
Ooh.
This little spot here has not put out a small fish yet, has it?
I hope it keeps that way.
I believe I'm indicating a strike.
Yep.
Man, that's a good one too. It's so dark, I thought it was a bass. That's a good one there.
Yes, it is. Look at that, pup.
That's a crappie.
Yeah. It's a keeper too.
That's a keeper too. You know what? You told me, Chad, you're done turkey hunting. You ought to come out here and try to catch some crappie. And I was like, Tom, the weather's gonna be terrible. And you were like, we're only allowed to keep 20.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
How long you need? Well, what's it, 9:30?
Yeah, it's about 9:30.
Almost 10 o'clock. I say we put this boat on the trailer so that we're not soaking wet and bailing water. What do you think?
Yeah, my bilge pump don't work.
Well, let's load it up and get moving.
Okay.